speaking about the fear that I have overcome, and that is public speaking. When I was younger, I was never exposed to speaking in public, so I always had that fear that people might say something about me when I speak in public. But now that I've recently joined a new school and that I've been encouraged to try many different things like debating and dramatics, I have been able to get the chance to really hone these skills and really put myself out there, being confident whenever I speak in public.
चीज़ जिससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था बचपन से ही was going up on stage and acting करना. लेकिन ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने पहले की हुई है, जैसे डिबेट, लेकिन एक्टिंग मैंने बहुत बाद में शुरू की. लेकिन मेरे टीचर्स ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया, मुझे बताया कि एक बार ट्राई करके देखो, नहीं समझ आता है मत करो. और ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे मैंने अपना वो डर खो दिया. एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैंने ये ट्राई किया उसको, और now I'm happy with it.
Fear that I think I've overcome is my fear of judgment. I know everybody has this type of fear, afraid of people judging you, but I think as you grow up, you realize that people are too busy in their own lives. People have too many things to worry about, and maybe the way you look or the way you're speaking is not the biggest thing on their minds. So, you realize that at the end, everybody has their own stuff to think about, and you just stop being afraid of how people perceive you. And I think that's a beautiful thing.
I used to have a massive fear of water, scientifically known as thalassophobia. And I realized that it used to hinder my growth a lot to learning new life skills like swimming. But you can't really keep on living in fear all the time. So I decided to take a step forward and started to learn swimming. I did this actually before starting my class 11s and everything, and it was really difficult at first, but with the support of my parents, with the support of my sister and my swimming coach, I was able to overcome the fear actually quite quickly by trying to swim. And this is a simple method actually of overcoming the fear, but you just have to do it, strive forward, and try not to think about what's going to happen. Instead, what's going to hold you back if you don't